Today is June 15th, which means I am about 15 days away from moving to Australia. Being 15 days away from moving to Australia also means that I have actually already packed almost everything. I am here with my guava mimosa because it is my day off. I thought that I'd take y'all through everything that I do have packed and kind of like talk about things. This is going to have to be a multi-part series due to the fact that I would literally talk for 45 minutes about all the different things that I have packed. I think I'm just gonna take y'all step by step with each piece of luggage so you can kind of see the things that I do and do not have packed. Cheers. I'm gonna show y'all first the corner in my room that I have that has literally everything that I'm taking with me. This is everything that I have currently. Checked bag, my carry-on, personal item, and then like a little day bag. And today we're gonna be going through my day bag. In Australia, they're a little bit more lenient and more difficult on flying restrictions. It's weird to say that because some of the airlines, I can only have 7 kilograms between my carry-on, and my carry-on is my carry-on and my personal item, but then I can also have a small personal item like a over the shoulder bag. I am going to be taking you guys through everything that I have in this little bag right now. You can click here if you're interested in seeing my carry-on, my personal item, and my checked bag. Let's get into it. First off, this is a dupe of a bag that I've seen on TikTok. I got it off of Shein for literally like $5. In this side zipper, I have a couple of things that I will need on the plane 100%. Obviously a toothpaste, and then just like a regular old toothbrush. My Sabrina Carpenter earplugs. I actually might not even bring these because they really don't work. I have this little like sleep stress like roller on thing. I put it on my like, what are these called? Temples? Pressure points. In this bigger side zipper pocket, I am in fact a snacky girl, and I don't think that there's gonna be enough food on the plane for me.
Just get all fat and sassy.
So I have these two because like granola things. I got them from TikTok shop. Gum, because if you know, you know. I have this little baggie that has both my wireless headphones and wired headphones just in case these need to charge. I do get dehydrated on planes, so I do in fact have a liquid IV, and then also I have one of these just in case because I am caffeine addicted and I do in fact need so much caffeine throughout the day in order to not get migraines. A couple of Midols. I just have these because. Have I ever taken Midol? No. Do I think that I might need it? No. Am I still gonna pack it? Yes. And then a headband because I like to push my hair back sometimes. Now for the main compartment, a little side thing right here. So in here, I have a couple of different things that are a little bit flatter. I do have a hydrating mask. I absolutely love this. I get it from TJ Maxx all the time. I'm also bringing these for my under eyes because I absolutely love under eye masks. I will actually be bringing 2 disposable masks with me because hantavirus, if people are coughing and sneezing on the plane, I am not getting sick. And then this is like the main part of my bag. Sleep time gummies, because I can't not have these if I'm going to Australia. I am a huge advocate that jet lag is not real. If you can, make sure to schedule everything correctly. First off, a deodorant because I don't like to smell stinky. Hand sanitizer in 2 different forms because I use this in the airport. I try not to use like sprays once I'm actually in a plane. And then I use this in the plane because I still don't like touching things. It is dehydrating on planes in the sky. Hand cream. It is also the highest UV, and I am very pale and I take my skincare seriously. Sunscreen. So I don't like things staining, and I am wearing a white shirt, so I'm bringing this with me. I have a scrunchie in case I want to put my hair up. I have a hairbrush, so that way when I'm ready to go to bed, I can brush my hair and then I can put it into a braid before I fall asleep. I have my pill case. And then I am, in fact, bringing this on the plane because I am flying with Qantas. And I'm not sure if the outlets on Qantas are going to be actual outlets A, US outlets B, or Australian outlets C. So I'm bringing this with me just in case. If it's an actual outlet, then I do have like my normal chargers that I'm bringing with me. So it will fit regardless. And then, of course, my Sony a6400 because I will be taking pictures and videos and stuff like that. That is everything for this little like personal item sling over bag thing. So incredibly excited and so incredibly nervous about this journey and about this trip and about literally everything about this. Actually wowed to me that I'm going to be starting a new decade while I'm in Australia. That's crazy to me. So I'm super excited. If you want to see more videos, please stick around, please follow. I'm going to be showing everything that I have in every single like packing item that I have. So this is just the first and this is just the beginning, and stick around for more. Bye.